y'all, we have a highlighter to talk about today. I picked this up at Walmart. It was like $5.96. I was super excited to see this from Coty, like the Coty Airspun powder. They had this right below. They had 3 shades. It was new, so I was like, oh my gosh, a loose highlighter. I cannot wait to try this. So I picked it up. We use it today. If you guys want to know how it works and if I like it, then subscribe, click that bell, and let's get into it. So I have most of my face on, and we are going to try out the Airspun Loose Highlighter. So it comes with a puff. I don't know why, because I don't know anyone that applies highlighter with a puff, but they put it in there. And then you've got, let me try sticking that back down. One of the little, it looks like a powder is what it is, to where you're going to pull that off. Lots of it flew everywhere. So we're going to pour a little bit in the cap here, or a lot. That is what it looks like. I'm trying to get it to focus and not fall everywhere. So I am not sure I've ever used a loose highlighter, honestly. So I'm going to try using it just like I would a regular powder highlight. We'll see how it works. I don't know. I'm really sorry if you can hear the lawnmower going. He's like super far away, but this mic's a good one. It picks up everything. So I'm just gonna, oh, that's a lot. All right, we're gonna continue to tap this off. They had 3 shades in this. They had like a kind of white, I'm not going to say duochrome, but a white one. And then they had like a pinky one, rose gold type one, and then this gold one. So this is like a very blinding from space highlight. Like, you guys see that? I tapped the crap out of my brush and it is just wow. I haven't used a powder or loose highlight, which I don't think I've ever used a loose highlight, but I haven't used a powder highlighter in a long time. I have been using only liquid. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. That is like straight up from space. I think this looks better when you keep kind of blending it in. Oh my gosh, you guys. I have not worn a highlighter this boom in your face in a long time. So we're going full glam today. Wow. It looks beautiful. It honestly does. And for $6, okay. I'm gonna grab a little bit on my finger and try to highlight the Q-hits though. I'm like shocked, you guys. This is a ton of product and I use like nothing. Like, you guys seen what was in the cap, and it's still all in the cap. Like, there is so much product. So I'm gonna go off camera really quick, finish up the face, and then we're gonna come back and talk about this guy. Alright guys, this is our finished look. I really like this highlighter. Like, I really like it. That's the first time I've used a powder in quite some time, and it is so blinding. I'm not sure this would be great for an everyday highlight, which if you like a really intense everyday highlight, then you're gonna love this. But this is better than a lot of my high-end highlights. I'm just gonna be honest. And there's so much product in here. There's 8.8 grams. So this is gonna last like 10 years. So I highly recommend this. Like I said, they have 3 shades. I'll let you guys know if it wears funny. I will update you in the description box, but I mean, this really blended into the skin. It does not sit on top of the skin. It doesn't accentuate pores or texture. So I'm really happy about this. They had a whole big thing of it right there in my Walmart by the Airspun powder. So I really like this, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell and like, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.